doing here is I'm smoking these breasts right here, and I'm going to cube them, and I'm going to put them in fettuccine Alfredo. So also what I've done is I have smoked cream cheese already to put in the Alfredo sauce. So I debated on smoking the entire sauce, but I thought maybe it might take on too much smoke. So I only smoked the cream cheese, and I'm smoking the chicken, and then I'm just gonna do fettuccine Alfredo as normal. So these chicken breasts are getting close to being done. They are sitting right at 164, so yes, I'm about to pull them off and cut them up and get them in the Alfredo.
Welcome back to the broadcast. The Sooners lead 10-8 at the top of the